Welcome to the WickerShire project. And today I believe we're putting in a pond. And I'm hearing noise in the backyard. I think, yeah, I can hear him now. Clyde is definitely back there. There's either two things happening. He's either terracing or hopefully we are getting our pond put in today. The only way to go find out is go around the back and take a look. So I believe this is the start of our pond being dug in. We have one row, two rows, and then the third row is here. And then down there is either going to be an open field. Should work, right? Open field. So we have 1, 2, 3, and a fourth terrace. How big? Like, what are we doing?
The whole way.
The whole way. He's saying. So I'll show you what that looks like in the upcoming months, or weeks, or days when this gets finished.
Months.
What, months?
You're working with me.
It's a lot. It's a lot of land, and it's a small Kubota here. Pond's getting dug in. I think it's going to be as big as the 16 by 40 foot or bigger cabin. Somewhere around 2, 3, or 4 feet deep, depending on what this machine can accomplish. And we'll go run the whole length of this. It's probably going to be at least, I'm guessing 40 foot by 16, somewhere in there. Pretty good size, massive, good swimming hole for all of us. Anyways, thanks for watching this episode of the WickerShire project. I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.